I have an LG refrigerator that is not cooling/freezer not freezing.
Can you guesstimate how old your LG is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
LSXS26326S. About 3 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
For now, yes, unless something needs to be replaced.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Fan works, cleaned the intake vent on back and it was covered with pet hair and dust. Condenser is cleaned. Still not cooling.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you today. The site will give an additional option to speak by phone, which you can ignore if you want. If you pull the refrigerator forward and remove the lower back access panel, touch the big black round compressor and is it room temperature, warm or blazing hot? Also, is the fan next to the compressor running?
Fan is running, compressor is room temp. Panel on back was covered in pet hair and dust. I vacuumed the vent cover and cleaned under and behind the refrigerator.
So there is a part on the side of the compressor that looks like the part in the link below. Click here to see overload relay. Unplug the refrigerator and remove this part. There are 2 or 3 pins on the side of the compressor that this part pushes onto. Test continuity through all combinations. You should have something between 1 and 10 ohms resistance if you have a multimeter to test. If you do not, you have a bad compressor. If all the combinations check good, then you have a bad main control board on the back of your refrigerator behind the upper access panel. The main board would need to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.